Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how one simple product, Vaseline, can solve a ton of everyday problems. From beauty to household hacks, you won't believe all the incredible ways this little jar can come to the rescue. Vaseline is truly a beauty game changer. Who knew one product could do so much? It's time to make Vaseline your new beauty secret. If you are ready for radiant skin and soft lips, it's time to grab your jar of Vaseline and get started. So grab your Vaseline and let's dive into these genius tips you will want to try right away. Chapped lips. Apply Vaseline to keep lips soft and moisturized. DIY lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar to create a soothing lip scrub for smooth lips. Eyelash care. Apply Vaseline to eyelashes overnight for hydration and softness. Eyebrow taming. Use a small amount of Vaseline to keep eyebrows in place. Prevent mascara smudging. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your lower lashes to prevent mascara from smudging. Cuticles. Moisturize cuticles with Vaseline for soft, healthy-looking nails. Nail polish remover. Use Vaseline around your nails to prevent polish from staining your skin. Instant glossy nails. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline over freshly painted nails to give them a quick, shiny finish. Add a dewy glow to your face. Dab a bit of Vaseline on your cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and temples for a fresh, dewy look. Fix broken makeup. Press a small amount of Vaseline into broken powder makeup to help it stick together. Create a DIY highlighter. Mix a little Vaseline with a tiny bit of shimmer or eyeshadow to create a custom, glowing highlighter. Fix dry, patchy foundation. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to dry areas before foundation for a smoother, more even application. Prevent frizz. Apply a tiny amount to your hair ends to tame frizz. Remove stubborn makeup. Use Vaseline to gently remove waterproof mascara or long-lasting lipstick. Nourish your hair ends. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to hair ends to prevent split ends and add shine. Prevent hair dye stains on skin. Apply Vaseline along your hairline and ears to avoid staining when dyeing your hair. Moisturize hands. Rub Vaseline on your hands for intense hydration, especially in winter. Foot care. Apply Vaseline on feet and wear socks overnight for nourished, soft feet. Protect against cold weather. Apply Vaseline to your face and hands in winter to shield against the cold. Softens rough feet. Apply Vaseline to your feet and wear socks overnight for smoother skin. Moisturize elbows. Rub Vaseline on your elbows to soften dry patches. Prevent hair static. Lightly apply Vaseline to your hairbrush to control static and flyaways. Long-lasting scent. Apply Vaseline on pulse points before perfume to make it last longer. Minor burns. Apply Vaseline to minor burns to soothe and speed up healing. Soothe windburn. If you're out in the cold, apply Vaseline to your face to protect it from windburn and keep your skin moisturized. Protect skin. While waxing, apply Vaseline to areas around your eyebrows or bikini line to avoid wax sticking to the skin. Soothe skin. After shaving, use Vaseline to calm and moisturize skin after shaving. Eyebrow tinting. Use Vaseline to create a barrier around your eyebrows before tinting or coloring, preventing dye from staining your skin. Shine on shoes. Rub Vaseline on leather shoes for a quick shine. Prevent chafing. Apply Vaseline to areas prone to chafing, like thighs or underarms. Condition leather goods. Use Vaseline on leather bags or jackets to keep them soft. It's time to give Vaseline a spot in your beauty routine. Simple, effective, and oh so good for your skin. Now you're all set to enjoy smooth, glowing skin with just a jar of Vaseline. And there you have it. From head to toe, Vaseline's got you covered. Try these hacks and let us know which one's your favorite. Next time you're in need of a beauty fix, remember, Vaseline is here to save the day. So go ahead, add a little Vaseline magic to your routine and glow from the inside out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Vaseline hack in the comments. If you have any suggestions about new topic, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, cuties.